everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm getting over a cold, so don't mind my sick voice. But for my first video, I decided to recreate Kylie Jenner's look that she had on her Instagram stories for the day that she launched the Sailor collection. I started off with prepping my skin with the Belif Aqua Moisturizer. Then I went in with the NYX eyebrow pencil in the color Chocolate. As you can see here, I'm doing very light strokes in order to fill in any sparse areas that I have in my brows, but barely any pressure to the pencil at all. Next, I am going to go in with the Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer in order to carve out my brows and give them that perfect look. By the way, I am using a small little concealer brush from So now I'm just brushing my brow hairs up with a spoolie, and after I'm done brushing my brows up, I'm going to go in with some mascara with a very light hand. Of course, you're bound to make some mistakes, but no worries. We're going to go ahead and clean that off with a Q-tip. As you guys can see here, I did kind of like rub some of the makeup off, so you're going to see me just fix it and make my eyebrow the shape that I want it to be. The other brush I am using to blend out my concealer is from Morphe. So here I'm getting ready to blend out my eyeshadow. However, I remembered that I didn't prep my eyelid first, and with that I'm just going to go in with the same concealer I used to carve out my brows, and I'm going to blend that out with a Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. With a Morphe M441 brush, I started blending the color into the crease of my eye. I know it doesn't look like I'm very lightly blending, but I am very lightly blending. Y'all, I only do my makeup like once a month now, so if it looks like I don't know what I'm doing, you know what? It gets the job done. Now I am using another Morphe brush and the same concealer I used for my brows and my eyelid in order to start carving out the inner part of my eye, I guess. So once I have that concealer carved out the way I want it to be carved out, I'm going to go in with the light pink shade and start packing that on the part that I concealed. Once that is done, I'm going to go back in with the same brush that I was using in my crease in order to blend out the pink and the brown. You know, you don't want that harsh line like split right down the middle. So this is going to be your bestie. Just, you know, blend till you can't blend no more. Back into the palette with an angled brush using the darkest brown shade, and I'm just creating a wing. Create the wing just as you would if you you are putting on gel eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, or whatever you use to make your winged eyeliner. Kind of off topic, but I can't be the only one who hates their face like straight up into the camera. Like, you know, I have a good side. Anyway, I'm going in with my Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation, and that's what I'm going to use to clean the wing. And as you can see here, I'm going back in with the blending brush just to diffuse the colors together again, and you can do that as many times as you feel like you need to. So now we are starting off with our skin makeup. So I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer to prime my face, of course. So here I'm just about to fix my hair, making it a little tighter for when we put on the foundation, and I'm showing you guys my little beauty blender kit that I picked up from Sephora, and then I am spraying my face with the Morphe setting spray mist. It smells very good, by the way. I'm pretty sure I mentioned this already, but this is the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation, and I am just using the Beauty Blender to go ahead and blend that all into my skin. You know, this is my first beauty blender that I got after years of saying I should buy one, and it is amazing. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the Real Techniques beauty sponge, but this one just hits different. Like, I don't know, like, everybody needs at least one beauty blender. Going in with the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick. I believe it's the shade Cocoa, and I love this thing. Like, ever since I bought it, I just can't seem to put it down. Can you guys just tell that I love the Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer? Like, that seems to be the only thing I'm picking up throughout this video. I seriously can't remember where I got this blending brush from. I think I got it at Target, and I'm pretty positive it's e.l.f. I could be wrong. I hope I'm not. I'm sorry, guys. I have failed you. I know it looks like I am rubbing this into my face very harshly, but I'm not. It's just the fact that I sped the video up. Everything looks very harsh. But you just very lightly want to blend that into your face. And usually for my cheeks, I kind of just like tap it on, if that makes sense, instead of like dragging it. To blend blend out my nose contour, I'm using this two-sided brush. I've had this for years, so I can't even say where it's from or where I got it. I seriously just don't remember. But anything that you use to blend out your nose contour should suffice. To blend out the concealer under my eyes, I'm going in with a Morphe flat brush. A lot of my brushes don't have the numbers on them just because I buy them in bundles most of the time. Once I'm done patting it into my skin with the brush, I go in with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender in order to just really blend that concealer out and give it more of a seamless look. So here I am about to turn off my light just because I feel like that gives me like the, okay, I still need to blend here, I still need to blend there kind of feel, you know what I mean? A cream blush from Fenty Beauty, and I am using an Ulta Beauty brand brush to blend it into my skin. So now with the same flat Morphe brush, I'm going back under my eyes to get rid of any creases that I got, and then I will be baking with the Revolution Banana Powder with the Real Techniques powder sponge. I like taking the powder down the sides of my nose just to emphasize the contour. And once I'm done with that, I just go in with another Morphe brush and I fluff away any excess powder. So once again, I am about to turn off my lights to see if I need to blend out my contour, which I did, because if you can see when you turn off the lights, it tends to look a little bit more harsh. So now I am about to go into the lashes, and since I'm doing a Kylie Jenner Sailor Collection palette look, might as well use the lashes that came with the collection. Not gonna lie, they're not my favorite. I think they're very subtle. I kind of like more dramatic, but it's fine. I mean, I made it work and they looked lovely. So now I'm just using the duo glue. I really like the Kiss glue as well, but this is what I had in hand, and I'm kind of just letting my eyelashes get a little tacky before I try to stick them on. And I've been wearing lashes for years, but I'm still like low-key a newbie because I hear people just stick on their lashes with no tweezers, and I'm just like, Jesus, like, how can you do that? I can't. I really, like, look at me. I'm still struggling with some damn tweezers. Techniques brush in order to put that bronzer right on top of the contour, and I will be also using it on my jawline. To really set the cream on my face, I will now be taking a powdered blush using a Morphe brush to go over the cream blush that I have on my face already. So now I'm taking this Wycon Cosmetics mascara, and I haven't really seen that brand in the States. I actually bought that in Italy. So now I'm just taking a dried out mascara to kind of unclump the lashes at the end. Using a Morphe angled brush, I am just tightlining my eye with a Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. I'm also taking a little bit of that eyeliner and putting it at the beginning of my eye to kind of hide the start of the fake lashes. Using the same brush and the same gel eyeliner for my waterline. I will now be going in with the e.l.f. pressed highlighter. I will link everything down in the description box because I know the names of nothing apparently. But I'm using this little like highlighting brush, I guess. I picked it up in Ulta years ago, as always. I like to apply the highlight on my nose with the tip of my finger. Here I'm just perfecting the contour of my nose with that same powder sponge, and with a angled brush I'm kind of just taking off any excess powder. Taking a NYX pencil and I am outlining my lips. So the lipstick I'm using is obviously from Kylie Cosmetics, and I will have the shade linked down below. And this is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I didn't realize that my phone stopped recording until I only got like 2 seconds of the finished look.